first off, I'm gonna just say a few words. I want to thank everybody that took the opportunity to come out here. Marka Mailesin Shago Rawai Marka Zaida kama hasantan detki o community kimit ayang o anta kusudawading marka gig malantang mayata malanti o dilmo o farah siyo laraw marka mardo me bilawno o community nima o wili intererno o dilmo gana o dawhayni hediyo wen isangna marka zaida kama hasantan o walidin ninki ahay ninki abta ahay ninki aw ahay ninki walalten nimna kusudawadi inti giga o dilmogan shahadiyal wari wal sidi la kisiyo wana giga sidi o dilmogan ka celebrate garayno rawayni
Madahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, kote af English to kukode markas af my mind to Jumade. Kote inshallah my hooligans and all father thank you. O sing mahad galio datki o into o mantak sakayab galang hafledang o Ardate yo balonate lang sa mayo. Thank you walidin to the volunteers. Iyo datki o security alogan. Iyo datki arantandaman sa mayo na o thank you ina sindano fadain inshallah. Tas marking kugudu amant inshallah may is ko coine. Tonight, my dear our soccer athlete, tonight we have gathered here to celebrate you for the remarkable 2023 season that we all had. As you guys can see, there's many trophies up here. There's many medals up here, but we could have done it without you guys. And therefore, tonight, we want to thank you. We want to celebrate you. And also, inshallah, give a shout out and recognition to the people that have made this thing happen. So, tonight, we gather to celebrate and recognize the outstanding achievements of our remarkable young athletes. It's a time for all of us to come together and share stories and the honor, the hard work and dedication that has brought us here today. Tonight, we have the opportunity to acknowledge the individuals' incredible accomplishment of our award recipients. Each of them has shown exceptional talent, perseverance, and commitment to our team. They have not only achieved success, but they have also inspired other people to come along with them. Therefore, this event is not just recognizing our young athletes. It's about coming together as a community. It's about celebrating and supporting one another. And we want to collectively put our efforts and contribute our success and our stories, and we want to be able to share with you guys. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to all the individuals who have made this event possible. I want to go ahead and give out a shout out to A.S.B Entertainment for putting all this together alongside with our executive. The organizers, the sponsors, and I want everyone who even work behind the scenes, the cameraman, the people that are recording us right now, even the people that are watching us from Snapchat, social media platforms. I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude and say thank you for being here present and watching us as we celebrate the success and the achievement of these young youth, these young athletes, the future of tomorrow. So with that being said, let's the party begin. Guys, are y'all ready? I can't hear you. I said, are you ready? All right. That is then inshallah af my mic had the kisto jugdo mant may sindo faday ina o walidin alhamdulillah o ka farah sin det ki on tin ko arantang mant samay ni laanting masamay karna det ki balonit masamay karna det ki cameras masamay karna security alog yo wels ni rog laanting masamay karna ka farah sin no o mashallah gas kan ko wop kan baraf kan o ina intin ko tang ina o ilmogang ni derglitan inshallah had I or into Mike Siye, our executive director of the organization kanang horhay magasha mailede Nasro Walio.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Can you guys hear me? My name is Nazro Hassan Willio. I am the executive director of Neighborhood Athletics, and I'm not good with public speaking, so I'm sorry. It is an honor being here today. I don't know if most of you guys know what Neighborhood Athletics is about, But we are a youth and family organization based here in Columbus, obviously. We started off with sports, and we kind of made our way into mentorship as well as case management to help the Bantu community and their kids become more self-sufficient. It is an honor being here today. I'm going to go pass the mic to our president of the organization, Mr. Abdullahi Kasim. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum. I would like to thank family and friends, everyone that gathered here tonight to throw this celebration for the youth of the community. They really deserve it. Without you guys' support and help, this wouldn't be possible. I appreciate the brothers and sisters that put together this event. Thank you very much. Neighborhood Athletics, like Nasr, our executive director Nasra said, is a nonprofit organization here to support the youth and the family in the community and give them opportunities that they wouldn't be able to receive without the help of all of these ladies and gentlemen up here. Everyone over here has an important title, and they contribute to the team. I would like to just name off the people. We have Marjan Sadiq right there. He's our he's our athletic admin. We have Aiden Muhammad. He's our athletic director. We have Siad Muhammad. He's our coach. We have Omar Sadiq. He's our coach. The best dressed man in the room, Coach Abukar. Nazro, executive director. We have our educational director, Jane Nuella, her husband, Kabi Nuella, and our newest member is Aliyah, and our secretary, Megane Abdi. Thank you.
All right, next up, inshallah, we're going to give the mic to our director of the player development, director of player development, ICN and Mike, inshallah, khofki o dalang yala de shakayo o ina o will JC Rao Magasha Melede Coach Khan, probably I want to say our best coach that we have so far, who is a 3 times MVP, who won last year's in KY, who won the best coach of the year, Siad Mohammed.
Thank you, Marjan. But I'd say really a lot of the work that I was able to do, if it wasn't for the people in the background, especially the support of our team from Neighborhood Athletics, it wouldn't be possible at all. So it's not a one-man team. This is a whole community. When Hidden Talent was created, the name itself rings bells as of today, but it wasn't the case a couple years ago. When you think about hidden, it is something that is not out there. It is something that is hard to find. And you think about talent, that's something that everybody sees. But in our case, we have a lot of kids in our community that have great talent, but because of where they live or because of the economics, their talent is hidden. So the main purpose of creating Hidden Talent Academy was to give every single kid an opportunity and exposure that they deserve. Because regardless where you come from, it doesn't determine your future. And that's one of our main beliefs as a whole community. So I mean, as of right now, I mean, we have amazing partnerships. We have great networking, not just in the soccer world, but all over. It's just kind of countless. So I really want to thank everybody again for coming here and supporting our youth. And I'm going to go ahead and give it to our director.
So had the coach yet made the high hidden talent really ke bilawdi ala kula team ka magin bilab ni hadi o do she su do my way dalang yartan badi alhamdulillah balon sidil ndele ka soan ilakin detki o de la hayang maaragoan because really digging you know on really digging we low income way so that kan may rawena detki o tajirta so alhamdulillah had o det il shaqayon on kalmo o il morgan although we into rogan in a scholarship lisio in a will jesio in a lutuso in a balonti delo so inshallah later on aragas and some of the players or had in rogan or Columbus Crew Academy in delo some players now op in delo or the balonti in a lakahali mashallah but had the I Mike Siane our director of your horhaikan or balonting a haming yo malang telephone shes you know hata o minink look minisha marogo haming yo malang wal appointment schedule yo haslan in same magasha melede director of our sports ninki o balon tama ngor hai magasha melede Aiden Mohammed.
Assalamu alaikum, everybody. Good evening. Okay, so I'd just like to talk about the future of hidden talent. Siak kind of went into a little bit of what it was like starting the team and where we're at now. And for me, I want to talk about the future, especially with everybody here and all the parents here. Okay, so far, when we first started the team, we started with one team in January of 2023, right? We had one team playing, and that's it. And we went from there. We jumped into spring season, and then with spring season, we actually had about 4 teams competing right away, just roughly right around 150 kids, right? Now, thinking about the future of hidden talent, our goal is to be the team of our community. We want to be the number 1 team in our community, and we want to be the one that represents our community very well. And we want to be the team that gives the opportunities to showcase kids that have phenomenal talent that otherwise would not be seen anywhere else without them really having to worry about what does it cost to play in a soccer team like this. Now, if you look at our teams, our talent is amazing. Our boys can go anywhere in the city right now and compete with any team, right? As you can see, some of the medals that we have up here is from tournaments that we played in, and we play against teams that are, so our kids can get more exposure and access to better facilities, and they can get to play that travel soccer that they really want to play, right? Now, a partnership that we already have right now that actually happened last year is with the Columbus Crew. We're in the Columbus Crew Talent Network, one of the network clubs, which means we have access to coaches training. They come out and watch our players. They see who they like, and as Brother Murjan has mentioned, there's already a few players in there. Okay, but other than that, we're looking to grow the team. We're looking to increase the age levels, looking to increase partnerships, and then in the near future, we'd like to bring back the girls team so we can have opportunities for girls in the community to play too. But it's looking good so far. Obviously, we're going to need as much support as we can get from the parents and everybody in the community. But thank you all for coming out.
Detki or team ya logan kijira magasho certificate lisie individuals awards inshallah detki or the best player gofki or leadership a high or high team kas lisie inshallah captain ko wala lisie and of your most goals to tuche or the valley or coaches to dorse de wahas det customer inshallah our gutsian wahandama soon is going to be cleared out player yalo or if magaga lakungwero inshallah please come up right here and coaches are y'all going to be right here coaches you're going to yep inshallah shake the coach's hand and then we'll give you guys your reward inshallah as we call you guys up individually so that way you can get recognized inshallah. So first I could allow in our U12 team had this we have a far team or the boys team and my governor U12 or the 11 or 12 year old Jiran make up for U14 U16 या U18 team kapna inshallah. So we had the team ki oh host kubala Marcus. We're gonna go U12, U14, U16, and then Marcus U18 inshallah. Reward yalo inshallah Chelsea. So our coach for the U12 coach ki or coach Gare U12 ki is once again our director of players, the player development coach Siat.
So I'm going to go ahead and call off some of the names, but I wanted just to mention a little bit about our U12 team. So our U12 team is not actually a real U12 team. It's a team full of U11 and U10 players. Most of our kids are 10, a couple are 9, and then we have a couple that are 11. So whenever we compete in U12 divisions, we're always the smallest team. We might not be the strongest team, but we always end up being one of the top teams. And with that being said, we've competed in Ohio Premier Invitational, and we played in the Elite Division. Elite Division is the top division of the state. You can't go any higher than that, right? So we played top teams like Club Ohio, Columbus City, Ohio Premier, Barca Academy, and we played all those teams, and we still made it to the final. And we also participated in 2 more tournaments after that. And we also made it to the final. So without further ado, I want to go ahead and call up our U12 boys team. I'm going to start off with Omar Bakar. Faisal Muya. And Faisal's sick right now, so Abraham Hassan. Ali Suleiman. Abbas Abdi. Ali Madeh. Abdi Fatah Ante. Idris Madeh. Ahmed Omar. Bugdo Abdi Salan. Karama Kamis. Next one. Yasin Salat. Abdi Kadir Hassan. Sirali Bilal. Jamal Muya. Osman. Mohammed Abdullahi. Mahadi Osman. Bilal Salat. Abu Bakar Abdisalan. Hamza Salat. And that's going to be for our U12 boys team. I'm going to go ahead and pass it on to our U13 coach.
All right, everybody. Let's get any louder. All right. The next team I'm about to call up is our U13, U14 team that me and Coach Abu we coach together. Something you guys should know about this team is for the first time we went in the OCL fall tournament. This team became champions. So the ones I'm calling up next, they were champions of the OCL fall tournament that we just finished. And then right now we're also leading the indoor league that we're competing in right now at Resolute. So just give them a hand of applause for their achievements. Okay, so I'll be calling up the teams here in a little bit once we get their certificates separated. All right, we're going to start with Jabril Bilal. Carlos Padilla. Abdikadir Yusuf. Khalid Abdurrahman. Neo. Yeah. Abbas Sulaiman. Salah Sulaiman. Faisal Abdullahi. BJ. Sulaiman Muya. Mohammed Osman. Dang. Ismail Abdullahi. Sadiq Omar. And then we have our new player that just joined us this season, right in the middle of the season, Abdurrahman. And also another new player that just joined us. It's going to be Hector. Then we have Abdisalam Ali. Mohammed Ahmed. It's not here. Abdikadir Mohammed. Yeah, Abdi just came from playing a Columbus Crew game. We have Mustaf Abdi. Go. I'll pass it back down to Brother Morjan here.
Next up, Shala, ay hindi wane that ki our U16 coach that kind of team can last fall or 2023 the fine. They are also champions. Last season, all of our teams, aparting Hassan and Danny, our U17 team, we'll get to them inshallah shortly. But hadain diwe the head coach of our team Kasangor High, and that is Coach Omar Sadiq.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As Brother Murjan mentioned, I am the U16 slash U15 youth coach for the Hidden Talent Academy, and we are the Ohio Champions League 2023 champions. Let's go! So with further ado, I'm going to go ahead and announce the names for the certificate. When I do call out your name, do the same procedure that's been going on with the other rest of the teams. All right, let's get started. First up, we have Mahmoud Jimale. Yeah. Ahmed Bakar. Brando Mejia. Omar. Next up, we have Jaylani Osman. Next up, we have Omar Hassan. Ali Abdi. Ali Omar. Winsel Medina. And then we have Wendell Gonzalez. Mohammed Jafar. And Abdikadir Kamis. He's not here. And so that will conclude the U16 youth team for Hidden Talent Academy.
All right, next up, and we're in our defending, our Kentucky winners. Trophy Gansang win in Taragotan last July. I said Kentucky, or I think eight teams to Gregonia High. Alhamdulillah, this is the third year. Marsada Highway or back to back or Ilmorgan Charlotte and we're in or champion kan Ohio Chanoya. Nene Karwasin July Kanunusugoi, Nene Darsin, but inshallah, Bahana, another one on Shannon. So far, Dalangyara the Entisangwero in Kulusho 17 years old way. So 3 times or champion consider Malanti Kol and Bilawai. Illa had since 2020. Marwell but Samarko July will said no. 8 teams finalists Suroyo in 11. So had inshallah I ndiwe detki all lamadi inshallah team kas or Mamuloya coach Siat your coach Aiden inshallah player yalo your ningwira.
Thank you. So, as Brother Murjan said, with the Kentucky International Tournament, we're the only team that have won it 3 times. No other team is able to do that. So, we're undefeated for our outdoor. So, can we start off with Faisal Abdi? Raymundo Quintanilla. Awais Hassan. Guled Osman. Yaya Baroud. Abdi Fattah Osman. Ibrahim Baroud. Assad Bakar, Darus Khamis, Abdullahi Jailani, and Abdullahi Dawood, Awais Bilal. There's that. Ishmael Salim, Ali Salim, and that will be it for our U17 boys team. Next up, we're gonna go start off with some personal awards. And first off, before we get down to passing some of the personal trophies out, I want to say it wasn't an easy decision for a lot of the coaches and a lot of the leaders to decide on these trophies, because a lot of our boys work very hard, and you know we hope to have different players achieve different trophies every season, so it can only kind of go up from here. So I'm going to start off with our U12 boys team. For our U12, we'll start off with best defender, and that's going to go to Jamal Muya. And with Jamal, when that boy is on the field, he's a rock. Okay, he's a rock. You cannot pass him. It can be a 3v1. I have hope that Jamal's saving that 3v1, right? And I mean he's very phenomenal player. He even gets stolen from me, and he goes and plays a couple U15 games once in a while. So that lets you know. Our next award is going to go to, for this award here, for this award here, it's going to go to a player that they haven't played a lot of club soccer, and might be their first to second year playing travel club soccer with us, and the growth that they've made is amazing. I mean, from the beginning of joining the team to now, I mean, it's spectacular. We can say, like, when it comes to grades, this particular kid has all A's and B's in school. He has honor roll and perfect attendance. I mean, he's a great student and a great athlete, and I think he really deserves this award because he's worked for it. And there's times where we don't have practices, and this kid will text me and he'll say, "Coach, can I come and train?" Whenever we're not doing anything, "Coach, can I come and train? I want to do this. How can I get better at this?" It could be late, it could be early. He's sending those messages. What can I do? How did I do in the game? How did this happen? So this award is going to go to Sirali Bilal. And the next award is spectacular. I mean, this is a player that is playing. He plays at the Columbus Crew right now, and he's playing for U12, and he just turned 10. In the so something about the Columbus Crew Academy, they recruit nationally. So they go all over the United States, and they pick players from different states, and they make them move here to Columbus. For this kid, he got into the Crew at 9 years old, and he's playing with the U12s. I mean, he's a spectacular kid. He's been playing a couple years up for as long as I can remember. And he just turned 10. So this award is gonna go to Karama Kamis. And Karama has won the Best Attacker award because this kid can score from anywhere. And he scores at angles that kind of just make your jaw drop. Like, how did he score that from that angle? Maybe it's because he's always hitting it with the outside of his foot, even though I tell him to use his laces, but it still works for him. Still works for him. The next player here is a player that is very versatile. I mean, his IQ of the game is ridiculous. He tells me when our games are. When I forget, I don't have to check the schedule. I say, hey, when is our game and what time is it? He'll tell me games that are happening 2 weeks from now. If you ask him, who's playing in the Premier League? What was the score? Who scored? How did they score? He'll tell you right away. I mean, this kid, his IQ is phenomenal. He plays multiple positions, and he's going to be the MVP for our U12 2023 division, and it's going to go to Abdikadir Hassan. And I'm going to go ahead and pass it off for our U14 boys, and we're going to go ahead and take it from here.
Hello, everyone. Can you guys hear me? Well, I'm Coach Abu. I'm the U14 coach, and I will be calling out the name for the awards today for the U14. So we will start off with Best Defender for the U14 will be Muhammad Osman. You already know about Muhammad. Yeah, no, you already know about Muhammad. Our best attacker for the U14 will be Ismail Muhammad. Sorry, Ismail Abdullahi. Yo, Kafalia Ismail. I don't know. All right. Our U14 most improved will go to BJ, which is I'm not trying to do a lot. All right, we come to the last MVP for the U14 will go to Abdikadir Muhammad. Will he go by Abdi EG? And that will be it for the U14. I will pass it down to the U16, which will be Coach Omar.
All right, next we got the U16 Hidden Talent Academy for the personal awards. First off, we're going to start with the most improved players. This player that I'm about to call up right now, he's one of my favorite players. One of my favorite players. Let it be practice, let it be a game. I'm always looking for him. He's the rock bottom, one of the guys who make up the team. This guy's got the height. He's got the aggression. I love his game. This guy, his name is Ali Abdi. All right, next up we have the Leadership Award. This player, ever since I seen him, from the first day he joined the team, I had him practice, showcase his skills. He amazed me, he impressed me as a coach. And from there, I knew he had potential. Ever since he came to practice that first day, I always look for him. Games, practices. He has leadership skills, such as on the field, talking to the players, making sure everything's going good. He doesn't hesitate to speak up. If something's going wrong, he'll tell his players like it's okay. Give them a little motivation, a little encouragement. He's very communicative too. He communicates. He's a special player. This player name is Brando Mejia. All right, this next player I'm about to call up. Ever since I started my coaching career, I've worked with him back in Grove City, and until now I'm still working with him. He just gets better every day. We call him the Terminator. He's a rock bottom, the best defender. He goes by the name of Omar. And then last but not least, we have the best attacker. But yeah, we have the best attacker. This player is very special. He has a nice dribbling skills. Once he gets the ball, he just runs. You can't catch him. He's too fast. He's hard to get the ball off of. If you try to tackle him, you're gonna hurt yourself. You might end up at the hospital. This player has that. He's so nice. You would think he's Messi. Dribbles like Messi. Scores goals like Messi. Scores free kicks like Messi. This player goes by the name of Winsel Medina. And then last but not least, MVP. Unfortunately, he's not here, but this player's, when I needed him the most, he stepped up. And it was one of the reasons why we won the 2023 U16 Ohio Champions League.
Or the U17 team. I wonder who the MVP is.
So with our older boys, we got some trophies from the tournament, and I want to go ahead and recognize that. For the MVP for the International Youth Outdoor Cup, he's not here, but he's a player that can show up and get the job done when you need him to. I remember in the final, I think we were losing 2-1, and he was one of the main reasons why we were able to go ahead and get a penalty kick, I believe. I mean, he's a phenomenal player, and they awarded him MVP, and we want to go ahead and celebrate that, and that's going to go to Adzarus Kamis. And then for our most improved for our U17, U18 boys team, I think it's going to be a particular player that had he didn't play soccer when he was very young, but how much he's covered within a short period of time and how determined and how hungry he is has really shocked me. I mean, this kid, he's phenomenal from school point, from soccer, and in general, I really want to celebrate him because he's come so far, and that's gonna go to Awais Bilal. So, and then for the other trophy is gonna go to the best defender, and for this particular player, he's always kind of played up, and he also started soccer a little late, but he's a heck of a worker. I mean, on the field, this kid has stamina for days. I don't even think he gets tired. I don't know if he sleeps, but he doesn't get tired. I mean, he's a hard worker, and he's always showing up. Regardless, whether he's injured or not, he's here to play for the team, and he puts his life on the line continuously. And this award is going to go to Goulet Osman. And for our leadership award, is going to go to one of our players that is a very hard worker. I mean, when I say leadership, I can count on him to do the right thing when I have my back turned, and when he's on his A game, he's ready to play. And on and off the field, I can count on this man, whether if it's helping with the younger kids or if it's mentoring them or if it's even stepping in to coach them. I think he does a great job of that. And the leadership award is going to go to Faisal Abdi. I guess, yeah, you could give him this one. Yeah. I think that's about it. That's all of it. And I want to take a second I want to give a shout out to a friend of mine. And there's multiple people that do a lot of background work in some of the work that we do, and they don't get recognized. Even some of my colleagues don't even know that certain people are in the background helping us out. For this individual, she comes out to some of our games. She's been to some of our indoor games. She's brought snacks, Gatorade, and she's constantly helping out with a lot of stuff. And this is really under the table. People don't know about this. I mean, she's the one that made these brilliant certificates right here. And our girls team, which is not here right now, she went out and she was able to get athletic hijabs for all our girls so they can use them moving forward. And she was able to get 20 pairs from Puma from her personal pocket and from using some of her networks. And her name is Jasmine Spitzer. She's right in the corner over there. Jasmine, can you raise your hand?
All right, inshallah. Reward kan Willis Sas kada mani hadde inta ay ngwera na A.S.B. That ki o arantang o ning kalmoyang that made it possible in a month o ning shan and inshallah mahat ay keliane the leader of A.S.B. He goes by the name of Gucci T.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Lady Soma. MashaAllah, welcome. Thank you guys for being here, first of all. At your at Ayorte Sinkumahadelini. Sinko into Koiteng. Sinko into Koiteng on a ya took the time and an interning Sakeb Galten for this little event. It's not much, but this is all we can afford, mashallah. Yes, so I hope we can do this every year. Medya license ino on a community gano iskashano, ino on a what a jerk. DJ, no, he's gonna off, please. Wait, telephone ke wait ko. Sakurore ba telephone? Mashallah. You guys come in and talk about it. Yes. Mashallah, it's good, right? Thank you, DJ. DJ Kano Bumarago in a month, so. Mashallah, this is beautiful, guys. And I hope we get to see this every day. Malhalaw. Especially in our Bantu community. Sang amala de one halainang every year, it would be amazing. But at the one dalanjara de leskukoyang. One o wal ishegang. Wal nyari iskola ata ilmo on samayan at this dano. Well, I walk us to as possible, kasana. But had the may down so below leway. Come below lew. Every year na may ono horte habon sudoin habon maldain. And on walang every year sa meno, mashallah. So thank you guys, and then welcome. And then for the kids, this is what we can do this every year. Ising na, Meda Willis Kadafo, we here for you guys. And then welcome. We got a lot of people over here, and the president is here, mashallah. And then we got Jihad's over here. The different programs so uyuna into koyang wali one uyuhayang ayan inshal shegayang ione the badanga aragoy mashallah. So we just want like each and every one on in Wirno uyuna they can explain their program or whatever you do or medan community on samayang. So no kuligan is kufaidation or abna inshallah. So thank you guys.
Alright, program kan wela sun kaki laki inshallah director kan of sports Aiden and Diwan usu o nindamaya rantan sidi o inshallah kalab arusu no. So director AD inshallah go ahead and close it out.
Yes, sir. First of all, I just want to say thank you to everybody who came out, especially the parents who came out and brought their kids and got to see them receive an award. This means everything to that kid, and it means so much to all of us here. I just want to give a thank you and a shout out to A.S.B again, because without them, we wouldn't have been able to put the kids in such a nice venue like this, and then give them the exposure. No. You good. And give them the exposure and the celebration that they truly deserve. Now, I just want to talk about some of the things that we have going on here at Neighbor Athletics. Something new that we just currently started within last month is called a mentorship program. And with this program, I'll have one of my colleagues come up here and talk a little bit more about it. But it's a program that is aimed to help the kids figure out the things that they need to do in life, help them develop some skills that they will need to move forward. And we have a lot of mentors helping them with this program, but I'll hand it over to Jane here. She's going to talk a little bit more about the program.
Assalamu alaikum. Nina Faraha. Oh, Magage Jane. Ani education wa director, how do you say it? My mind. Hartige. Yeah. Hartige Kabiwe. Yeah. Ana Malinta Way, ESL. Anyway, we have just started a mentorship program for ages 13 to 18. We also provide tutoring. So if any of you are behind in schoolwork, or not even, you don't have to be behind. Anyone who wants extra assistance in education to help you move forward, to help you succeed, or if you need direction about what to do after high school, or even now, before you reach graduation, come to mentorship program. We're going to help you explore different careers you can be interested in, different options, different things for your future, how you can guide your life, how you can set goals, and which direction you want to go to, so you can be a successful young woman or man. Because we know that Allah has good plans for all of you, good plans. He has good plans not to destroy, not for destruction, but He has good plans for your future. So we want to encourage you to seek out those plans, to seek Allah, and to seek His plans for you. So if anyone wants to come this Tuesday at 6 o'clock, we'll be having a mentorship program for 13 to 18. So if you're interested, please come. If you need a ride, please look at one of us, ask one of us to give you a ride. Parents, you're welcome to come too to find out more information, to learn more about it, and how to support your child, your youth. So please, and keep this in the mind for those who can't come this week or this time. Keep it in mind the next time we start, you can be part of this, all right? So we want good plans. We want you to succeed and have a good future and not be caught up in the bad. So please come to us and ask us how you can be involved, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Assalamu alaikum. Why mentoring program? We believe in more possibilities. And we talk about the hidden talent. Talent are always hidden. We need to discover them. We are here because with the coach, all the staff, we discovered the talent in you. But we believe there is more talent in you than soccer and basketball. Mentoring program is there to help you to figure out, to discover more talent in you, to make your future more brighter and brighter. Remember, talents are like a treasure, like a gold diamond. They can make you great. They can make you a wonderful man, a blessed one. So we believe in more possibilities. That's why we are here for the mentoring program to help you to discover more that is hidden in you. Welcome to this program, and we are there to help you. Thank you.
اي مركز انت كدمايان الى ما يسين دفدا الى مركز زائده كما حد سنتن دتكي او انت كسدوادي مركز دلمو حلمر او دلموغي بلون ليت حلمر دتكي انت فديان دان توسن ديا هيدن ديا هورتن ديا دناغن ديا مركز جيج دتكي او انت كسدوادي دتكي او سين جي ال يان وي مركز دتكي او ميل دير سيديك ديرتان او سين توتيا يان سين ريها يان والدين يالكي انت كسدوادي انا حدي او اون كور انس قاتنا حدي اون بانس عاونا مركز عيني عاوية وي انت حدي فيريتو دتكي او كوميونيتي غان كميت ايان دل موغان اللي انت امبادنت الحمد لله دل موغان اللي انت نينغروغان كوي او جامعات بيغضويان كوي او شاقة كجيران كوي او ديستريكت الى شاقة مركز دل موغان اللي انت روغان مركز زايدة دتك دان كما حد سنتان دتكي او جيك سدوادي مركز بولشد هذا دل موغان حنشة مركز هيغا كدما استردان مركز السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته